Hey guys, it's your host Ashish Arora from Intellect Digest, and in this video we'll be unboxing and giving you a quick hands-on overview of Tecno's latest offering called Camon i2X. So without further ado, let's begin. Opening the box, first thing we get is the phone itself. Then we have some documentation, a clear back cover, a micro USB cable for charging and data transfer, a SIM ejector tool, and a wall charger which is rated at 5 volts and 2 amperes. On the front we get an HD Plus notch display at 6.2 inches. The notch houses a 16 megapixel front facing camera and other sensors. We have a clean top. On left hand side we get a triple SIM card slot which can accept 2 discrete SIM cards and a micro SD card. On the right we have volume buttons and power or wake up key. On the bottom we have primary microphone, speaker, micro USB port for charging and data transfer, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. On this vibrant blue glass back we get a 13 megapixel plus 5 megapixel dual camera layout, fingerprint scanner in the middle, and Tecno branding. Under the hood it is powered by a Cortex processor clocked in at 2 GHz. It has 4GB of RAM, 64GB of internal storage. This is 3750 mAh battery to run this device. It runs on Android 8.1 Oreo on top of their custom skin called High OS. We also ran Antutu benchmark on this device and its results are on your screen. We also clicked a few pictures with the smartphone. You be the judge as how they look. After using the smartphone for some time, I'd like to say that I like a few little things about this phone, like suggestion to move a newly installed app to a dedicated new folder, like a few borrowed gestures, and smart battery saving technique which runs in the background. Overall, it is a nice phone with decent hardware and software. Its cameras perform decently, but the consumers should get an option to toggle between normal camera and AI powered camera. If it is launched at a good price, it can be a decent option to go for. This is all that we have for this video. Leave us a like, do let us know your thoughts about this device in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe and press that bell notifications to get notified whenever we upload a new video. This is your host signing off. Thank you.